So why do I look different in these 3 clips? It's because the white balance is set differently for each one of them. So what is white balance? It's basically what you set your camera to so that it can read white as a reference point and interpret the rest of the color spectrum from there. You set that by changing the color temperature in your camera, so that you can either tell by the auto settings in it, whether that's sunlight, shade, tungsten, fluorescent, or you can go to the custom setting, which you can set a Kelvin temperature to. Kelvin is just a different measure of heat. There are 2 main color temperatures that we use when we're filming. The first one being tungsten, which is 3200 usually for when you're indoors, or 5600 when you're outside for the sunlight. One of the important things to remember when you're setting your white balance is to make sure that your lighting fixtures all match or they do what you want them to do. So in this case, our key light and our fill light are set to 5600 because our camera is set to 5600. Since we have these lights behind me that are more tungsten, more indoor lighting, we have the backlight set to 3200 so that it looks warmer and it looks like it's coming from those lights. With that being said, if you set your camera to 5600 or daylight, it will read tungsten or 3200 as orange. If you set your camera the opposite way to 3200, it will read daylight as blue. Now that you know the principles, you can play with your own lighting fixtures and color temperatures at home. You can customize your own look. So comment down below if this was a good tip for you and let us know what you want to learn about next.